flower stamp number 10. I am going to add a new layer here and stamp my main part of my flower down. Now I am going to tap my layer and click Alpha Lock so that we can color right on our layer and make it stay to the petals. And I need a monoline brush. And kind of like yesterday's example, we're just gonna kind of mimic the arc of the petals here. And then color that right in. I'm not super happy with how that came out. So I can 2-finger tap to undo. I want it to stay a little more confined to each petal. So I'll redraw that. There we go. And then I'm simply going to add a few dots to each petal. So I did 2, I'm gonna make it a little bigger. 2 on this 2 on this petal, 2 on this petal, and 3 on the center petal. Now I am going to add a new layer, tap and hold and drag it to the bottom. I am going to grab this light peachy color and draw 2 arced lines on each side. I'm gonna go even skinnier, I think. That 2-finger tap to undo comes in really handy all the time. If you spend a lot of time on your iPad and then you move back to doing paper drawing, you'll find yourself tapping, or at least I do, tapping on the paper trying to undo, and nothing happens, of course, because it only works on your iPad. So for this, I drew in just a little arc shape for part of the stem. And then I decided to do my stamen in green, which you would not see in nature, but is totally great in folk art. So we do that there. And then I added 2 little flower details, and I just used flowers or heart details, heart stamp number 2. I am going to do that on its own layer. So I'm going to add a layer above the flower here. And I'm doing that just because it makes it easier for me to edit. So I can stamp it down, circle it with this little ribbon magic wand tool. You'll be on freehand down here, so you can circle it. And then I can just turn it and adjust it and edit it right into place where I want it. And I want this one to be the same size, so I'm going to swipe left, duplicate, and then grab my arrow tool, drag it to my other side, and adjust the angle with the little green dot. So there we've got, you know what, this one looks a little bit farther away, so I'm gonna bring that one down just a little farther, maybe just a little farther. And then we've completed that flower. So I'm going to pinch all those layers so he's on one layer, and tomorrow we will do stamp number 11.